Good evening, y'all. It's your girl Tiger here. I'm just finishing up my night. I got to do a few things. Y'all want to join me? Go ahead and join me. This damn curtain getting on my nerves. It's after 7 o'clock. I'm finna hook up the washing machine because I got hella dirty clothes. And I was trying to hold out till my dryer got delivered today, but FedEx, what y'all talking about? Y'all said it should be delivered by the end of the day. What's the end of the day? Because it's almost 8 o'clock. Duh. That I have two of these portable washers. I'm trying to figure out which one I'm finna use. Because I'm not really finna wash a lot though. So I'm probably gonna use the small one because it's quieter than the bigger one. Yeah. How the hell that file? Anyway, I'm gonna be using the small one. This is my small portable. I know it look like a toy, but that bitch don't play. Okay, so let me hook up the hose and you just put it on like this. I gotta get me a longer hose for a longer drain hose, so I don't have to be draining in the damn bucket. But hey, this is what it is right now, and this motherfucker work good. But I need another drain hose so I don't have to drain in like a big bucket. You know what I'm saying? Feel me? So I can drain right in the sink. So that's tight. And I got this extension cord that I had bought. It's a 10 feet extension cord because I didn't know exactly where I was going to be washing that at first. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to plug this up. And this is cool because if I want to run both of the washing machines at the same time, I can. Ooh, knocked my hand so. So here's that plug. And this machine feel like it got water in it for real. So I think it's something already in there. I don't know if I didn't drain it all the way last time I went, but yeah. All right, let's get started. So looking in the washer, so raggedy ass solid. Okay. I'm loving my little girl. Where you been? Where you been with your sexy ass? Let me find a few things to put in here. So I'm gonna put my pink kitchen towels. Yeah. Okay, so I put a few t-shirts, some underwear, a bra, some boy shorts, some workout shorts. I put a few things in there. Okay. Start this washer. You gotta make sure it's not where it is now, which is on drain. Because if I start putting the water in here, it would go directly on the flow. So we're gonna put this on regular wash. Okay, and now we're gonna turn the water off. And I'm using warm water. And as you can see, my water is filling in the machine. Let me get some soap. Okay, so I put me some gain in there and some of the light gain in there. So let's see how that turns out. And still filling up with water. Yeah. Hope I ain't got too much in there, but yeah, we gonna find out, baby. Alright. Okay, so I set the washing machine for 15 minutes for that first load, and then I'm going to do one more load, and then after that I'm done, because it is getting kind of late, and I don't want people to complain about my machine running. Okay, y'all, so while that first load is washing, I think I'm going to have me a couple of shots of tequila. What, bitch, what? I'm at home doing my thing in my house, doing me. So do you, boo. And this is just some little cheap tequila. I've had this tequila for 2 months. Why? Because I ain't been letting everybody else drink up my stuff. Because I got friends that'll come here every day ask me if I got shots. But not today, baby. Not today. And I like a little chaser. So I'm using some cherry Coke. A little Pepsi. Hope it ain't stale. Don't really care. I just don't like the strong taste of tequila like in my mouth like that. And yeah, I ain't got no shot glass, so I'm gonna put it in here. I broke my shot glass. Let's try that again. Dang. One more. And then we're gonna smoke. Because I'm not really a big drinker, but if I'm gonna drink, it must be tequila or fireball. Or a blueberry or blackberry wine. Bottoms up. Salud. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. It's just like a chill Lord. I'm gonna be using some Dr. Teal's deep hydration skin renewal blended soak with quenches and moisturizes the skin. Yeah, yeah. I was looking on the container to see if it had like what the scent smell was, but it doesn't. But I know this is more expensive than regular Epsom salt because it has magnesium, sulfate, citrate, omega fatty acids, and botanical enzymes and triple management complex. But baby, it smells so clean. It smells, I can't describe it, but it's finna go on my feet. Mm. That's enough. Ah! Okay, that's enough. Can't tell me my washer don't work. Look at that dirty ass water. Man, do your dizzle, baby. And it's only been going, what, 7 minutes? 8. Okay, done add a little coconut oil. Yeah. It smells so good, y'all. Don't be sleep on Dr. Teal's, baby. What's that? Square food after?